हेलो सर।
हेलो सर।
कैसे हो?
बढ़िया।
बढ़िया।
आपके क्या हालचाल?
मैं भी ठीक हूँ। तो आज हमारे साथ अर्पित भाई हैं और अर्पित भाई कितने मंथ हो गए आपको मेरे पास पढ़ते हुए? आई थिंक 6 महीने तो हो ही गए। अगस्त में आए थे आप।
9 या 10 मंथ।
भाई ट्यूशन ओपन करे हुए 9-10 मंथ नहीं हुए। 15 अगस्त को आए थे आप, याद आया? उस वाले बैच, उस वाली ब्रांच पे, याद आया?
इंग्लिश में 13 अगस्त को आया था।
वही 15 अगस्त। सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, 15 मार्च को आपको 6 महीने पूरे हो जाएंगे। 7 महीने इस 15 मार्च को, 7 महीने। सो गाइज, it has been 7 months since when he has been coming to this tuition and let's see how does he respond. Okay, तो मैं ये वाली जो स्पीकिंग होगी ना, इसको थोड़ा और ज़्यादा अच्छे बनाने वाला हूँ। मैं इन पे चैप्टर्स पे क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, चैप्टर टू चैप्टर स्पीकिंग करूंगा, चैप्टर टू चैप्टर ये भी स्पीकिंग करेगा। ओके, चलिए शुरू करते हैं। So, are you desirous of learning English?
Yes, I am desirous of learning English. You also?
Yes, I am also desirous of learning English. But why are you desirous of learning English?
I am desirous of learning English because this is my dream.
This is your dream?
Yeah.
Okay, before coming to this tuition, what did you think? Wait. Phone aa raha hai. Before coming to this tuition, did you think that how would I teach you? Will I be able to teach you in English or not? Or how will I teach you? How will you learn English?
Before coming to this tuition, you would teach very good. I think that I will learn English. So I am able to roast anyone.
After learning English, you can roast anybody.
Yeah.
How many brothers do you have?
I have 2 brothers
Two
and
brothers.
one
So
sister.
do you roast them?
I roast them.
Good. So does your friend, does any of your friends speak in English?
No, my friend does not. My friend does not speak English.
Yeah. So why do you not say to your friend to speak in English?
I say them.
Okay.
You should speak English. If you will not learn English, so you are not able to become.
A rich man.
Yeah.
Am I right? So what does your father say to you? Does your father not ask you that, Arpit, you have been going to the tuition for a long time, what are you doing? Why are you wasting my money? What are you learning? What have you been doing there? So how does your father treat you when it comes to learning English, when it comes to asking about like what are you doing especially in this tuition?
My father said that what are you doing in tuition? I said to my father, I am learning English very good.
So today I want to say to his father, especially Bhaiya, to you, that now Arpit is standing here and Arpit is recording a video and he is speaking. None of my videos are scripted. Okay, whatever we speak on the spot. I don't have any kind of a script. Okay, first of all, and this is the result. This is the result that I show to the people. I have been uploading numerous number of videos just to show you guys that how do I teach you, especially in Buddh Vihar. And I don't know that what will be the future, but still he has completed 6 months and he can speak literally good English at his own level. But speaking English takes time. Okay, it is not like you can say a piece of cake for anyone. It is a tough process first of all, and saying tough does not mean that it's like mountains. No, saying tough, I mean to say that it's a long lasting process. It's a time taking process. So okay, so after watching this video, what will your father think about you?
After watching this video, my father said that you are learning English very good. You will do something.
Okay,
You are
so
learning
when I
English.
slap you like this way, pat, say headshot. So how do you feel that time?
You will if you slap me, I will fall down the ground.
She will fall down on the ground.
Yeah.
So, but how do you feel from the inner side? Do you not abuse me?
Because you are younger than me.
I'm elder to you,
Yeah.
not younger. So, do you not abuse me when I slap you in your inwardly like?
If you will slap me, I do not abuse you because you are my teacher.
So you respect me from the inner side, really?
Yeah, I will respect you.
So suppose in future if I meet you somewhere, okay, and you are like a great businessman, you are running a business, Arpit Chaudhary business, okay, like this way, take this an example, and I met you somewhere accidentally in other countries, in America or in UAE and somewhere else, Singapore. So would you recognize me? Would you like say yes, I know you, or you will ignore me?
You will slap me. I will.
Like that time, why will I slap you, yeah?
Because you are my teacher. I will know you because I am learning English to you. That's why.
Yeah,
some
that's
here
also
you
nice.
Slap me.
So, what do you feel that Ronak nowadays Ronak is not doing well? Like I just shooted a video. I mean, just
yeah, I know Ronak does not speak English
well. But
yeah.
he used to speak very well. I don't know why he is not able to speak right now. So you are his best friend, I think. So.
I think he is tired.
He's tired. Yeah, I think also he's tired. Ronak, are you tired? No problem.
Because if I came back to his home, I think he was studying. That's why he is tired.
Did you have a habit of speaking in English before coming to this tuition?
Before coming this tuition, I have a habit of.
I did not have.
I did not have a habit of speaking English.
Speaking, but after joining this tuition and after learning English, now this time, do you have a habit of speaking in English?
Yeah, I have a habit of learning English this time.
Speaking English.
Yeah.
Do you feel confident about yourself?
Yeah, I have confidence myself.
Okay. So now you can ask questions. So many questions about the chapters.
Why do you live here alone with your friends, parents?
Why do I live here?
Yeah.
I live here to operate this tuition class. I have my YouTube studio. I shoot videos, and just for this purpose I live alone. Otherwise my family lives near to me, and I go.
But you could open this tuition with your parents.
I could open this tuition with my parents, but I did not open it because we have a joint family. So there are many people. Occasionally or unoccasionally they come to my home and they make other unusual sounds, and it does not make me feel better about them.
Your parents will see you. My
Child.
What was my child doing?
No problem. My parents know that what I am doing, and I am connected to them. I keep asking to them that Papa, I am going to do this. Mommy, I am going to do
How
this.
does my child teach them?
Yeah, they must be watching the video. Hello, Mommy, Papa. So they must be watching the video and they must realize that how do I teach, and they know very well that yeah, I teach.
You
And
think
it's,
that
they
you think that they will
watch.
watch this video?
I don't think that they will watch this video, but now I have discussed about them, so I will share this particular video to them, and then they will surely watch the video.
You give message to them.
Yes, I will give them the message. So Arpit, if I come to your home today, what will you offer me? What will you give me to eat first of all?
If you will come to my home, I will offer you chole bhature.
Chole bhature?
Yeah.
Are you able to make chole bhature?
Yeah, I'm not able to chole bhature because I don't know how to make chole bhature. My mother, no.
Your mother knows.
No.
So if you say to your mother that Mummy, my sir has come and my sir wants to eat chole bhature.
My mother has cooked chole bhature today.
Oh, so that's why you are saying that we have made chole bhature today. So I think I should come today.
Yeah, you
I
should come.
So what if I come to your home and your mom says to me that, sir, why did you come here? We have made chole bhature. We are not going to give you this chole bhature. So how will you make your mom understand?
I will say that to my mom. Sir said that I will come to your home. What do you do in your home?
Okay, but she will say that, okay sir, come at your home and look about the things and talk to anyone. If you want to talk, then go away. But she is not going to offer anything to me. Then
I will say that to my mom. You will offer to sir chole bhature.
Okay, so you will say to your mom.
Yeah.
So like who gives money you at home? Your father gives you money or mother gives you money?
My mother gives me.
How much money does your mother give you?
I think 20-30 rupees.
Per day?
Sometimes my father gives.
Sometimes your father also gives you money?
Yeah. Per day, not per day.
What time does your father go for job, for work?
My father goes to job 9
At 9 a.m.?
At 9 a.m. to 5-6 p.m.
5-6. So he comes in the evening?
Yeah. He
Okay. So do you feel, Arpit, that I should open this tuition somewhere else? This area or this background or this thing are not good. Do you feel like that?
I do not think that this is not a
Place.
good place.
It's a good place or not?
It's a good place. I
Okay.
think because you चिपकाने को
Stick.
you stick this poster, that's
Yeah,
why.
these posters are making this classroom very engaging and
Yeah.
aesthetic at the same time. So I want to ask you that what is your dream?
And
what do you
and your tuition your tuition is in front of
in front
Krishna
of Ramakrishna
Mandir.
Mandir? Yeah, that's a, you can say, plus point to me. And I want to ask you again that what do you have a dream of becoming?
I have a dream of becoming a IPS
An IPS officer.
sir.
Okay. But for that you need to work hard. You need to study a lot. So are you ready for that?
Yeah, I'm ready for that.
You will study hard.
Yeah, I will study hard because I have a dream of studying.
So do you watch my videos on channel on Insight Academy English?
Only I will see your videos, not everyone in my home.
Oh really?
Yeah.
You will only watch my video.
Yeah, sometimes my mother watches.
Sometimes your mother watches the video.
Yeah.
So what does your mom says? Sorry, what does your mom say?
My mother say that your teacher teaches very good, I think.
Okay. And after watching this video, what will be the reaction of your mom?
After watching this video, my mother say that
Will say.
my mother will say that this is good channel, and when your teacher has opened this tuition in front of Ram Mandir, that's why I think your channel is good.
Oh, so your mom will give the whole credit to this
Yeah.
temple. That's a nice thing. So this was all with Arpit today, and now Arpit is able to speak in English in every manner, but now Arpit is making so many mistakes. So now my work or my task is to remove his mistakes and make him much more bold about English, about speaking English. So Arpit, if you have something to say or if you have anything to ask me, you can do. Otherwise, we will wind up this video.
Share the video and click the bell icon and
Like the video.
watch the video.
Watch the complete video. Thank you.